I was craving some pizza, but I didn't want no takeout. So I decided to go to the store and grab some stuff to make my own homemade pizzas. And these were so good. Let me show you how I made these. In a bowl, I'm going to add some active dry yeast to some warm water along with some sugar. Give that a good whisk and let this sit and activate for about 10 minutes. Meanwhile, I'm going to add some pizza flour. This is the brand I'm using to a bowl. You can use bread flour or all-purpose flour, that's fine. Along with some salt, and then mix that and add some olive oil. Once my yeast has activated, I'm going to add that to my flour. With my dough mixer, just combining that all together. And I did feel that it was too dry, so I did add a little bit more water. I'm going to add that to my surface and knead that for 10 minutes. You're going to want to knead this for 10 minutes. You can use your KitchenAid mixer too if you like. After 10 minutes, you should have a very nice soft dough. I added this to an oiled bowl and then oiled the top of my ball, and then I'm covering it with saran wrap. Let that rest and rise for 1 hour. After an hour, it's risen double its size. Add some flour to your surface. You're going to just combine this all together and you're going to knead it again for about 3 minutes. Bring it back to a dough ball and then cut this into 4 equal pieces. This will make 4 pizzas. I used 3 of these to make pizzas, and then I used 1 to make some garlic knots. So you can also make some garlic knots or some breadsticks with this pizza dough. I'm going to just set that aside on a floured surface, cover this, and let these rise again for about 30 minutes. As you can see, they have doubled their size again. Flour my surface, and then I'm just going to roll out my dough into a circle. You can do it however you want. I'm going to add this to my pizza tray. You could add some homemade pizza sauce to this. I didn't have time to make it, so I'm just using store-bought, but I do recommend making your own. It's much better. I'm adding some mozzarella cheese. And for this one, I'm doing pepperoni. And because my son loves pineapple, I'm going to add that to this one. For my second one, I'm going to add cheese. So it's going to be like cheese stuffed on the outside. And then I'm going to add the pizza sauce to that. And then for this one, I'm just going to do some bacon and some pepperoni. And the other one, because I'm a New Mexico girl, I love hatch green chili. So I just did the hatch green chili and cheese. And these are all ready to go to the oven at 500 degrees for about 15 minutes or a little bit longer, maybe 20 if you want it really crispy. Then I'm just going to slice into it. And this is the hatch green chili one. This one was so good. This is the recipe that you need to make some homemade pizza at home for your family. Save this recipe and make your family some pizzas. And these are the garlic knots that I made with that same pizza dough. These were super delicious.